Today I will show you how to make animated menu like this. Okay, so go back my code. This is my simple code and the background image linear gradient start from light blue. Okay, then I use container class position absolute top left and display that is in light block and cursor will be pointer. Okay, now I have used the three bar 1, bar 2 and bar 3. First width 35 pixel and height 5 pixel. Okay, and I have used background color, margin and transition. When I click on the menu icon, then for bar 1 that will transform. Okay, 0 white and height remain pixel. Okay, and that will be rotated minus 45 degree. This is the first one. The second bar with opacity will be 0, and for the bar 3 that will be transformed translated and rotated will be 45 degree. Okay, this is the style. Now I have declared a header. Okay, then I have declared a class name container and I have used a function, my function. Okay, on click there are three bars, bar 1, bar 2 and bar 3. Okay, now this is for the Java function. When I click on this is my function, and that will receive this container class, so I have declared as x. Okay, now when I click on this, that will toggle the sense css. Okay, and this is the sense class bar 1, bar 2 and bar 3. Okay,